Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. If you are driving and struggling to find a parking spot near your location, Waze can help you with this easily. In this video, I will show you how to find nearby parking spots in Waze step by step. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Make sure your location and internet are turned on. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom. In the search bar, simply type parking. After that, you will see blue parking icons appear on the map. These icons show all the parking spots available near your current location. Tap on any parking spot you want. You will see the place details on your screen. To go there, tap on Navigate and Waze will guide you to that parking location. Now, if you do not see parking options on your map, do not worry. For better understanding, tap on the three lines in the top left corner. From here, tap on Help and Feedback. Now tap on Help Center. Scroll down a little and tap on Find Parking. Here you can read how parking works in Waze and why parking spots may not appear in some areas. This section explains everything clearly and helps you understand how to find parking more effectively. That's it. This is how you can quickly find parking spots near you using Waze and avoid wasting time driving around. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick and helpful app tutorials.